Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the meter has power and a clear display. This prevents interruption while setting time. Once the device is on, press and hold the power or menu button for about 3 seconds to enter setup mode, because short presses usually only wake the screen. When you see the SET prompt or a clock icon, release the button. This confirms the meter accepted your command. Make sure ambient light lets you read the screen clearly before continuing to adjust values. You now change the numeric fields one at a time so the meter records accurate results. Press the up or down arrows to increase or decrease the highlighted value. This method avoids skipping digits and maintains precision. After setting each field, year, month, day, hour, minute, press OK to lock it in and move to the next, because the meter saves only after confirmation. Once you finish the minute field, the interface typically returns to the main menu, indicating all values restored successfully. You complete the process by selecting Save or exiting Setup, so the meter writes the new date and time to memory. This prevents future test timestamps from being wrong. After saving, power the device off and then on again to verify the display shows the correct date and time, because a restart confirms persistent storage. If settings revert or numbers blink, replace the battery and repeat the steps, as low power often prevents memory write. Then recheck to ensure the correction holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.